Hey everyone, today let's break down another key term in affiliate marketing, and that is affiliate link. So what exactly is affiliate link? In affiliate marketing, an affiliate link is a unique URL provided to you by an affiliate program. It's your personalized tracking link that lets the company know when you've referred a customer. Here's how it works. Let's say you join an affiliate program for an online store. When you log in to your affiliate dashboard, you'll find a special link for each product you want to promote. This link includes a unique identifier tied to your account. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, the company tracks that sale back to you using your link, and you earn a commission. Why is this important? For those of you considering affiliate marketing as a way to leave your 9-to-5 job or start fresh after being laid off, understanding affiliate links is one of the first steps to building your online business. They're the backbone of affiliate marketing, making sure you get credit for your efforts and earn income for referrals. Quick tip: when sharing your affiliate link, always be upfront about it. Add a simple note like, "This is an affiliate link and I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you." Being transparent not only builds trust with your audience, but is also required by law in many places. So that's a quick intro into affiliate links. They're simple but powerful tools to help you kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Whether you're looking to leave the corporate grind or create a flexible income stream, mastering these skills will set you up for success. Hope this clears it up. Don't forget to check my other videos for more affiliate marketing tips. See you in the next video.